So now we move on to the TCT Hall of Fame, which recognises those members of the additive manufacturing industry who have dedicated a lifetime of research, development, innovation and promotion of 3D printing and additive manufacturing technologies. This year, our TCT Advisory Board have once again nominated members of the additive manufacturing community who have made a positive, significant and long-term impact on the industry to produce a short list of 6 nominees for 2023. To announce our inductee to the TCT Hall of Fame for 2023, please welcome to the stage Duncan Wood from the TCT Group to say a few words.
Good evening. Thank you, Johnny, for that. It's hard to state the impact that this year's 6 nominees have had in all their careers. In all of them, they've made a significant contribution to furthering the technologies, the applications, or the industry in their own important way. As I said last year, but it is worth repeating, it is great to see the female members of our community being recognised. Half of this year's nominees are female, which speaks to the impact that they are having and have had in a traditionally male industry. Bravo. So to our first inductee for 2023. Originally working in aerospace, our inductee entered the industry in 1989. Over the last 30 years, she has managed engineering and development programs across multiple hardware, software, and materials products, and is now focused on developing production applications. Under her leadership, dozens of products have made their way to market to facilitate the maturation of rapid prototyping, as well as true production applications. She has driven the industry forward from the inside. Our inductee is also a member of PEO, a women's philanthropic educational organisation that supports higher education for women through scholarships, grants, awards, loans, and stewardship of Coffee College. This small organisation has raised and given hundreds of millions of dollars to support women's education. So, please join me in welcoming and congratulating 2023 Hall of Fame inductee and one of the original women in 3D printing, Diana Kalisz.
Diana has been part of 3D Systems for over 30 years and has been instrumental in the development of the technology, materials, and its applications. Under her leadership, 3D Systems have commercialized dozens of products to facilitate the maturation of AM.
Gosh, thank you so much. Thanks to TCT for even considering me. I'm really in rarefied air here with the other inductees over the years, and I'm very, very grateful. I've had the privilege of working with and for Chuck Hull for these last 34 years, and it's very rare indeed to have the opportunity to work with the person who founded what is now an industry. It's been an amazing ride, for sure, and through all of it, Chuck has never made me feel small or stupid, and he has had opportunities. My husband has been a constant support to me, and frankly, is the smart, capable one of the two of us. So, just saying. Through all the years, it's been the technology and the people who have kept me engaged. So, my thanks to 3D Systems, where I've been able to work on the leading edge of hardware, software, and materials in those development efforts. And to my engineer and scientist colleagues, you've been a gift to me every day, as well as a source of amusement, amazement, and inspiration. And special thanks to our customers who have pushed for more, better, and sometimes what looked impossible, because they've caused the innovation to occur. That raised the capability of 3D printing in so many ways. And I've had the real privilege of seeing 3D printing from printers that required babysitting to 24/7 operations. And parts that barely resembled the CAD to accuracy and repeatability that rival traditional manufacturing now. Materials have gone from brittle as old bones to great properties that stay stable for years. And we're taking the original healthcare applications, improving and expanding on them, and moving into the next frontier of regenerative medicine. It's truly miraculous what has arisen from Chuck's original concepts for 3D printing and what other bright, capable, motivated people have developed and continue to create. You've given me a great honor, and I thank you.